Boom, check it out. What we have here today, pop it open. What we got here today is something that if, especially you work on automotive air conditioners, you know this is an absolute godsend. What this is a 595 piece O-ring set. Now this particular O-ring set is made with nitrile rubber, and so that makes them wear resistant, deform resistant, oil resistant. It gives them a little bit higher tolerance for heat and for cold, and that's also why they are green. This comes great for working on ACs inside of cars, and this has 36, I think it is, different sizes of O-rings, so that as you're working on different makes and models, it is going to be so simple and easy to find. Now, the one downside of this is I wish that their kit, their chart here, which explains which sizes are where, was on the inside of the box instead of the outside, because you got to keep flipping back and forth to figure out exactly which is which. But overall, that's a really minor thing. And the nice part is they gave you two charts here in standard and in metric, so that it is easier to find exactly what you are looking for. Overall, I think this is a great kit to have around, especially if you do any kind of car repairs. It isn't just for cars. You can use this on so many other things. Again, there are so many different sizes of O-rings that you can be using on a ton of different machinery, pressure washers, that kind of deal. So check it out. You need some O-rings around the garage. I think this is the kit for you.